Dear students, today I want to explain transpose of a matrix. In the previous class, we learned multiplication of matrices, addition of subtraction of matrices, and multiplication of matrices. Now, in the today's class, I want to explain what is the transpose. What is the transpose of a matrix? The matrix obtained from any given matrix A by interchanging the rows and columns is called the transpose of A, and it is denoted by A transpose or A dash. So the transpose of a matrix means by interchanging the rows and columns of a given matrix is called as the transpose of the matrix. That is denoted by A to the power of T, that stands for A transpose, or A dash. This is also stands for transpose of a matrix. For example, if A is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, this is having 2 rows and 3 columns. If we interchange the rows and columns, that becomes rows becomes columns and columns becomes rows. So first column 2, 5 becomes first row, and second column 3, 6 becomes second row, 3, 6, 4, 8, third column 4, 8 becomes third row. So here the rows and columns are interchanged in the transpose matrix. A transpose is equal to 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 8. This is the 3 by 2 matrix and this is the 2 by 3 matrix. Take one more example. If 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, this is A. Now A transpose is 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. So see some more properties on this transpose of a matrix. If A transpose and B transpose are the transposes of the matrices A and B, then first property is A transpose whole transpose is equal to A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, where A and B are of same size. A minus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Fourth one, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. A and B are conformable for multiplication. And fifth one is KA whole to the power of transpose is equal to K into A transpose, where K is any scalar. Now the symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. For example, take this one 1, 3, 3, 5. If we transpose this matrix, what we will get? Same 1, 3, 3, 5. So the given matrix is equal to its transpose. A transpose is equal to A. So this is called as the symmetric matrix. One more example for the symmetric matrix is 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. If we interchange the rows and columns, we will get the same matrix 1, 2, 5, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. This is also a symmetric matrix. A is equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So here let us take A is equal to P plus Q. P means half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. So the matrix A can be written as a sum of P plus Q. P is the symmetric matrix and Q is the skew symmetric matrix. Thus we can write the square matrix as a sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. See some problems. If A is equal to 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Verify that A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So if A is equal to 147258369 and B is equal to 123456780, A plus B is equal to 147258369 plus 123456780. By adding the corresponding elements here, 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 3 10, 2 plus 4 6, 5 plus 5 10, 8 plus 6 14, 3 plus 7 10, 6 plus 8 14, 9 plus 0 9. So this is A plus B. A plus B whole transpose. By transposing this matrix we will get, so by interchanging the rows and columns, write the first column as first row 2 6 10, second column 6 10 14 as second column, and 10 14 9 third column as third row 9. So now RHS is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That is, what is A transpose? The first column can be written as 1 2 3 can be written as first row 1 2 3, and the second column 4 5 6 can be written as second row, third column 7 8 9 can be written as third row, plus B transpose 147 first row, 258 second row, 360 360. By adding these 1 plus, by adding the corresponding elements, so we will get 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 7 10, 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 8 14, 7 plus 3 10, 8 plus 6 14, 9 plus 0 9. So 2 6 10, 6 10 14, 10 14 9. So LHS is equal to A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose is 2. This is verified. If A, second problem, if A is equal to 1 minus 1 0, 2 1 3, 4 1 8 and B is equal to 4 1 0, 2 minus 3 1, 1 1 minus 1. Show that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So AB is equal to, find the multiplication of these two matrices, A 1 minus 1 0, 2 1 3, 4 1 8, B 4 1 0, 2 minus 3 1, 1 1 minus 1. So these are the same order of the same size of matrices. So the multiplication possible here. So by multiplying with row and column, first row into first column with the corresponding elements, 1 into 4 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0 into 1 0. So 4 minus 2 plus 0. Now first row and second column, 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 3 1 plus 3, 0 into 1 0. 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 0. So second row and first column, 2 into 4 8 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 1 3. 2 into 1 2, 1 into minus 3 plus 3 into 1 3. 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 4 into 4 16 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 8 into 1 8. 4 into 1 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 8 into 1 8. 4 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 8 minus 8. So that is 2 3 plus 1 4 minus 1 10 plus 3 13 2 minus 2 16 plus 2 18 plus 8 26 4 plus 8 12 minus 3 9 8 minus 1 minus 8, that is minus 7. This is AB. Now whole transpose, AB whole transpose. By transposing this, what we will get? 2 13 26 as row first row and 4 2 9 as second row, minus 1 minus 2 minus 7 as third row. AB whole transpose. Now to find the right hand side, B transpose into A transpose. B transpose is 4 2 1 1 minus 3 1 0 1 minus 1, and A transpose is 1 2 4 minus 1 1 1 0 3 8. So these are of the same order, same size matrices. We can multiply these two matrices. So by taking first row and first column, 4 into 1 4 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into 0 0. First row and second column, 4 into 2 8 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 3 3. Third column, third element, 4 into 4 16 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 8 8. So these are the first row elements. Now take the second row. 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 1 0. Now second row into second column. 1 into 2 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 3. Now second row third column, 1 into 4 4 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 8 plus 8. So now the third row first column, 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0 plus 0. 0 into 2 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. 0 into 4 0 plus 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 8 minus 8. So that is 4 minus 2 2 plus 13 2 13 26 4 2 9 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7. So this is B transpose into A transpose. So here AB whole transpose is equal to 13 26 2 13 26 4 2 9 4 2 9 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7. So AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So this is proved. This is correct rule. So to find this, at first we have taken the two matrices A and B, and we calculated the product of AB. After finding AB, so we have written the transpose matrix of AB, that is AB whole transpose. Then keep it aside. Now by multiplying with B transpose into A transpose, B transpose into A transpose, that is equal to 4 2 1 1 minus 3 1 0 1 1 minus 1 1 2 4 minus 1 1 0 3 8. By multiplication of these two matrices, we got this 2 13 26 4 2 9 minus 1 minus 2 minus 7. So here these two are equal, LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose is proved. If A is equal to 3 0 1 minus 1 5 and B is equal to 1 minus 2 3 minus 1 0 2, find A into B transpose and B into A transpose. A into B transpose is equal to A into A means 2 3 0 1 minus 1 5 into B transpose. What is B matrix? So after transposing this matrix, we will get 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 3 2. This is 2 by 3 matrix and this is 3 by 2. So multiplication is conformable because the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. 3 is equal to 3. So the matrix multiplication is possible. So that is equal to 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 2 6 plus 0 into 3 0 plus next element 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0 0. Here now take the second row into first column. 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 5 into 3 15. Then 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0 0 plus 5 into 2 10. So by adding these elements we will get 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4 minus 2 18 and plus 9. So this is A B transpose. Minus 4 minus 2 18 9. Now find B into A transpose. So what is B here? 1 minus 2 3 minus 1 0 2. A transpose is 2 1 3 minus 1 0 5. So by multiplying this, what we will get? First row into first column. 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 3 into 0 0. 1 into 1 1 plus minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 5 plus 15. So first row elements are 2 minus 6 1 plus 2 plus 15. Now second row minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0 into 3 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Here also minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 5 10. So that becomes 2 minus 6 minus 4 3 plus 15 18 minus 2 9. So this is A B transpose is minus 4 minus 2 18 9. B A transpose is 14 18 4 minus 4 18 2 minus 2 9. So these are the matrices. Fourth one, express the matrix 2 1 3 1 1 4 minus 1 6 2 as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. So you can express any square matrix as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix, that is A is equal to half of P plus Q, where P is equal to half of A plus A transpose and Q is equal to half of A minus A transpose. So here given matrix is 2 1 3 1 1 4 minus 1 6 2. A transpose is equal to 2 1 minus 1 1 1 6 3 4 2. This is A transpose. Now take A plus A transpose. 2 1 3 1 1 4 1 minus 1 6 2 plus 2 1 minus 1 1 1 6 3 4 2. So by adding these two matrices, what we are getting? 2 plus 2 4 1 plus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2 4 plus 6 10 1 plus 3 4 6 plus 4 10 minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 6 plus 4 10 2 plus 2 4. So this is A plus A transpose. Now P is equal to half into A plus A transpose. Half of this matrix becomes 4 by 2 2 2 by 2 1 2 by 2 1 2 by 2 1 So this is equal to 1. By dividing with 2, what we will get? 2 1 1 1 1 5 1 5 2. So see, observe this matrix. 2 1 1, first row is 2 1 1, first column 2 1 1, second row 1 1 5, second column 1 1 5, third row 1 5 2, third column is 1 5 2. So this is the symmetric matrix. Now take Now take A minus A transpose, that is equal to 13114 minus 162 minus 21 minus 6 211 minus 1 116 342. So that is equal to 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 plus 1 4, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 6 minus 2, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 6 plus 4 10, 6 minus 4 2, and 2 minus 2 0. So Q is equal to half into A minus A transpose, that is equal to 0 0 2. By dividing with 2 we'll get 4 by 2 is 2, minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, 2 by 2 is 1 0. So this is the, so which is a skew symmetric matrix. So hence the matrix can be written as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here P is the symmetric matrix, Q is the non skew symmetric matrix. So P plus Q, that is equal to 2 1 1 1 1 5 plus 1 5 2 plus 0 0 2 0 0 minus 1 2 1 0. So this is the expression of a matrix, square matrix, as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. See the fifth problem. If A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, then find A into A transpose. A into A transpose is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta into transpose is equal to cos theta sin theta, first row, cos theta sin theta, second row, that means second column, that becomes column, minus sin theta cos theta. So A into A transpose is equal to, by multiplying with this matrix to this matrix, what we will get? Cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta plus sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Next row, minus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta. Next, second row into second column, minus sin theta into minus sin theta, that is sin square theta, plus cos theta into cos theta, that is plus cos square theta. So we know that the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and these terms will be get cancelled here. So value of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 1 0 0 1. So this is the solution for the given problem. Next problem. If A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, express the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Like in the previous problem, A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then A transpose is equal to 0, 3, 6, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. Let P is equal to half into A plus A transpose. So that is half into 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, 7, 8 plus 0, 3, 6, 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8. So by adding these two matrices, we will get 0, 4, 8, 4, 8, 8, 12, 8, 12, 16. So by dividing with 2, we will get 0, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, which is a symmetric matrix. Now let us take Q is equal to half into A minus A transpose. That is half into A means 0 minus 2 minus 4, 2, 0 minus 2, 4, 2, 0. So by multiplying with 2, we will get 0 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 2. So this is half into 0 minus 2 minus 4, 2, 0 minus 2, 4, 2, 0. It is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 2, 1, 0 minus 1, 2, 1, 0. So which is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the skew symmetric matrix. In the principal diagonal elements are all are zeros. Here A transpose is equal to minus A. So this is the skew symmetric matrix, and this is the symmetric matrix. P is the symmetric matrix. So which is a skew symmetric matrix? So A can be written as half of A plus A transpose plus half into A transpose, A minus A transpose. So the given matrix can be written as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 can be written as half into so A is equal to half into A plus A transpose plus half into A minus A transpose. Here half into A plus A transpose is P, that is the symmetric matrix, and Q is half into A minus A transpose. So this is the skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So the given matrix can be written as the sum of skew symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So I am doing some assignment problems on this transpose chapter, transpose of a matrix. If A is equal to 1, 4, 7, 2, 5, 8, 3, 6, 9, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. Find A into B whole transpose. So for that, at first we have to find the matrix AB. Multiplication of A into B, two matrices, multiplication. Because here they are of same size, same order matrices, so these are conformable for multiplication, no doubt. So find AB, A into B. So after finding AB, then again find transpose. After the multiplication, transpose the resultant matrix. If A is equal to 1 minus 1 0 2 1 3 4 1 8, B is equal to 4 1 0 2 minus 3 1 1 1 minus 1. Show that AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. To show this, take A and B, multiply AB and whole transpose. Keep it aside. Now take RHS. In the RHS we have B transpose into A transpose. So by taking B transpose into A transpose, we will get the solution of same. So both sides are equal. Now the third problem, express the matrix 3 2 3 4 5 2 1 6 7 as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Yes, the matrix can be written as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So let us take P is equal to half into A plus A transpose, which is the symmetric matrix, and Q is the sum of half into A minus A transpose, which is a skew symmetric matrix. So by taking these two, we will get the sum of, we'll write the given matrix as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So write down these problems for assignment.